If you're over 40 and simply buying a prepackaged bottle of beet juice from the grocery store shelf, you are completely flushing its vascular potential down the toilet. You're drinking dead, pasteurized liquid sugar that spikes your insulin, triggers low-grade internal inflammation, and leaves your actual physical performance exactly where it started. You are missing the entire biological trigger simply because you are using the wrong form at the wrong time. So what is the exact way to prepare this beet juice? What is the secret secondary ingredient? And how do you time it perfectly to experience an intense wave of physical stamina by tomorrow afternoon? Over 40, your blood vessels naturally lose their flexibility. Your heart is forced to pump harder against stiff arterial walls just to deliver oxygen to your muscles and organs, resulting in rapid fatigue and slower physical responsiveness. Beet juice contains massive amounts of dietary nitrate. When you consume it, a highly specific chain reaction begins. Specialized bacteria in your saliva convert that nitrate into nitrite, which is then converted by your stomach acid and blood into pure nitric oxide. In clinical sports science, this sudden influx of nitric oxide does something extraordinary. It reduces the oxygen cost of physical exercise. It makes your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, incredibly efficient. By allowing your muscles to produce more energy while consuming less oxygen, beet juice lowers your systemic blood pressure and opens the floodgates for unrestricted vascular flow right when your performance demands it most. However, if you drink raw beet juice by itself, your body faces a major hurdle: oxidation. The volatile nitric oxide generated by the juice can break down rapidly in your bloodstream before it ever reaches your peripheral blood vessels. To sustain this vascular expansion for hours, you must mix your fresh beet juice with raw, squeezed lemon juice. This isn't a flavor trick to mask the earthy taste of the root. Lemons are loaded with active vitamin C and bioflavonoids. When you introduce the high acidity and antioxidant profile of fresh lemon juice to the dietary nitrates in beets, it creates a powerful chemical synergy. The vitamin C acts as a biological shield, directly preventing the premature breakdown of nitric oxide in your gastric system and blood. Instead of a short-lived spike that fades out in minutes, the lemon juice creates a sustained release mechanism. It ensures that the expanded arterial width remains completely open and stable, maximizing oxygen delivery to your tissues during extended periods of physical stamina and performance. To achieve a visible difference in your physical energy and vascular pump, you must strictly follow this exact raw preparation and timing window. Do not buy store-bought juices that have been pasteurized with high heat, which completely kills the active nutrients. Instead, take one medium-sized, fresh, raw beet. Wash it thoroughly, peel away the skin, and chop it into small pieces. Place the chopped beet into a high-powered blender or juicer with 4 ounces of cold water. Blend it completely until it forms a smooth liquid pulp. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh cloth into a clean glass to remove the dense fiber, leaving you with pure, highly concentrated raw beet juice. Immediately, squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon directly into the glass and stir for 15 seconds to lock in the antioxidant protection. For the absolute maximum peak in physical performance, drink this entire 4-ounce shot exactly 2 to 3 hours before physical activity or performance. Dietary nitrates take roughly 120 to 180 minutes to reach their absolute highest concentration in your bloodstream. Despite the massive clinical backing behind beets, millions of men drink it and notice absolutely zero change in their stamina. It almost always comes down to a bizarre but devastating mistake: using antibacterial mouthwash or brushing your teeth right after drinking it. The entire biological conversion of beet juice relies 100% on the friendly bacteria living on the back of your tongue. If you use a harsh mouthwash, chew whitening gum, or brush aggressively with fluoride toothpaste right before or after consuming your juice, you completely sanitize your mouth. You wipe out the vital microflora required to turn inorganic nitrate into active nitrite. Without those specific oral bacteria, The beet juice passes through your digestive tract as nothing more than an expensive, sugary carbohydrate. Your body completely misses the nitric oxide conversion, and your blood vessels remain completely constricted. If you want to optimize your vitality after 40, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video right now so you never miss our breakdowns. I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments below right now and tell me if you have ever tried drinking raw beet juice for your stamina before, or if you have ever heard of combining it with fresh lemon. I am personally going through the comments to help you guys maximize your daily routine based on where you are at.